Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A34 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn on torch light in your phone Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. Sometimes you will require torch light. For example, if you are walking in the low light or dark, you need to use torch light, so you don't need to search specific torch in your home. Just with your phone use torch light. Go to the notification area and you will find torch icon. Just click it and it will glow. Okay, in the back side you can see the light. This is torch light. Okay, flashlight or torch light. Okay, yes. If you want to turn off, just you can use notification area and click on the torch icon here, guys, or otherwise press or otherwise lock. Okay, no, it does not work. In some phones it's working, but in these phones it does not work. Okay, so you have to use this key only, okay, for turn on or turn off. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn on torch light in your phone Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.